tilted? Clearly. It's okay, I really don't care. Hey guys, what's up? So today I thought I would do a back to school makeup tutorial because I have nothing else to do. I work in an hour and I'm bored as hell. So I start school August 20th. I don't know about you guys, most people do start school in like September. My high school starts in September, but I'm doing early college and stuff, so that starts August 20th, which I don't know how to feel about that, but so I thought I would just do a back to school makeup tutorial, like an everyday makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. Ew, what is on this? My brother is downstairs singing. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be taking is my Clinique Super Primer, Color Corrects Redness. I don't know if this works. I've only used it like 3 times. And I literally only use it because I spent like 30 bucks on it. Sister doesn't want to waste it, so. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm literally breaking out so bad. I have this like school party thing tomorrow that I'm going to. After tomorrow, I'm not wearing makeup anymore. When the summer first started, I was like, I'm about to get clear skin this summer. I'm gonna go back to school looking hecka cute with my clear skin. No, sister. And my foundation is always darker than my skin, because if it's not darker than my skin, then it's too light for my skin. There's never a perfect match. It usually is darker than my skin, so if I do start my foundation and you guys notice that, please don't come for me in the comments. I'm trying my best, and I know I'll look like a pumpkin for a few seconds, but trust me, I'll get it handled. Okay. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily foundation in the shade 120, aka Classic Ivory. I literally look like the peanut butter baby, but it's okay because sister has a plan. So I'm going to be taking this brush. It doesn't have a name. My sister got it for me for my birthday. I think she got them online, like Amazon or something. Not my birthday, Christmas I think. Or maybe she just got them for... Besides the point. I don't know. Maybe they have a name. I don't really know what they're called. Then on top of my foundation, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is literally out. Like, it's literally all out. But I don't have enough money to buy a new one. So... there's that. Like, nothing comes out anymore. I was like eating really good today. I had like a protein shake for breakfast, and then I was still hungry, so I was like I need to eat something else. So I was about to make me some tomato soup. Then my dad comes in the door with 2 boxes of pizza. Sister smashed. Like, I can really throw down when it comes to pizza. I kind of regret it, but at the same time, it was really good. Now I'm going to be taking... Sorry. Now I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, same as this foundation, which I guess isn't really a smart idea. I should get a powder that's a little bit lighter.
I have a feling you got a ton of towels in here. In like a closet?
Yeah.
If you would...
I'm not going to be setting today. I guess if it's like during the school day, you might want to set your face before you go, because for me, like, when I do my makeup for school, by the time I come home, my makeup like is super like greasy, like all over the place. What? One more time. Anywho, now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. That's good enough for the eyebrows.
Damn it! Rosie!
Now I get to do my eyes, and for this makeup look, it's really nothing that special. It's just like really not that special. I'm just gonna use this. This collection is called Eco Tools. I really like these brushes, they're really nice. For my base on my eyes, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge eyeshadow. So I'm just going to dip into that and just apply that over my eye. So now that I've applied that, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35O palette. Today I will be using this one first, this shade, and just applying that where I put my base. I don't really know if you can tell a difference, but I did put that on there. It's nice to start off slow and to like build up your look instead of just going, you know, base color and then boom, like going right to that like dark color, that nice like brown chocolate color, because then there's no like blending, there's no shifting, if that makes sense. I don't really know, like there's like no transition, if that makes sense. My next color that I'll be using is this one right here. I wish these had names so I could say the names, but unfortunately they do not. I'm just gonna be putting that everywhere that I just put the other two shades. Okay, so now on top of that, I'm gonna be starting to go with darker colors. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm just gonna be applying that on my eyelid, like this, up to my crease. Okay, so now that I've done that and it looks a little bit messy, I'm going to be going in with another darker color. I don't blend this right away because that's just the last step I do. I guess you could if you wanted to, but I feel like that's extra work. I just go into another darker shade, and then when I'm done putting all of my colors on, then I blend. So the next color I'll be using is this one, and I'll just be applying that where I just applied the last shade. That is literally pretty much all I do for like my top lid. Sometimes if I feel like I want to go with like a shimmery look, I'll add a shimmery color for my Morphe, I think it's 35F, I don't know, but like the glitter palette. So I'm just going to be using this brush, and I'm just going to blend those shades that I only took up to my crease, and I'm going to be blending them into my crease. I'm going to try not to blend them over it because then I would kind of just have like a flat look. What I'm trying to achieve is like a kind of like a smoky eye, you know, that kind of like smokes out as you go up farther to the brow bone. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking this shade in the Morphe 35O palette. I'm going to be taking it and putting it under my waterline and blending that in. This is just a basic look. Some people like to go darker for school, and some people don't like to do this, like to do as much. But this is like perfect for me because it's something, but it's not like too much. It's subtle. So now I'm gonna be doing my mascara. For mascara, I use the Rimmel London Wonder Lash. This is made with argan oil, and I've used it for months. I love it so much. Nobody like talks about it, but it's so good. It's non-clumping. It's lengthening. It's amazing. I love this mascara so much. I got mascara on my contact. It's the most annoying thing ever. Oh my god. Okay, so now that I've done my mascara, that's basically like one of the last things I do. Oh wait, I forgot my bronzer and my highlighter. Hold the phone. I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer for my bronzer. After that's done, I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I use the shade White Sand usually. I like white sand because there's like white micro glitter in it, so it's like, it looks more natural. And I just apply that on my cheekbones. So when that's all done, I usually just apply lip gloss. Lip gloss is my lover. I love lip gloss. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline lipstick in Nearly There, which is shade 205. I'm going to be taking my lip gloss from Sally Beauty. It's from Bitsy. It's the long-lasting lip gloss, and it's called Curfew. It's a dark lip gloss. Okay, so I fixed how dark it was by just putting on some Vaseline. Made it a lot lighter and kind of blended it in more. So yeah, that's the finished makeup look. This is a nice like back to school fall makeup look. thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want, follow me on my Instagram, add me on Snapchat, do all that stuff, because I post to both those social medias a lot. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.